Kristen with Westside Construction. I'm here to do a repairability test. You guys are currently just paying for this slope, but as you can see, this is a hip and ridge roof, so it will all connect. So we're gonna go ahead and do repairability and see if this is even possible just to do this one slope. So as you can see, we got the wind damage here. I'm gonna go ahead and lay these down. So what I have to do is take my insurance approved roof stake to do this repairability test, unseal this shingle, this one, and this one to properly try to get out this. So, going underneath to unseal. Now that we've got that, we gotta unseal this one. Now that we got this unsealed, this one is still part of that shingle I have to get out, so I have to unseal this row. Now that I got that, so I got the one on top of here unsealed, I got unsealed this one. And then this one right here. Okay, everything's unsealed. I have to start with the nails. So, I lift this up. This is the first nail that I have to get out, going underneath. And you can already see how this shingle is coming apart. You can see how it cut it right here. This one right there. All right, look at that tear that just happened trying to get that out. It's already showing. This is not going to be repairable, but we will continue on. All right. Take a look at this. I'm only 3 nails in, and this is what's happening. All right, so last one on this row is right here. So now that I got that, we got some up here that we need to get out. So our first one gonna be right here. You can just see how this bottom part just came apart. All right, this one, and then these two. All right, take a look there. You can already see it damaging that shingle trying to get this nail out. Showcasing even more that this roof is not going to be repairable. All right. So this is the one that we were trying to perform this repairability test on. As you can see, it definitely failed. Let's recap the damages. So this shingle right here got damaged in the process. How big of a hole and how it's creased right there. And then throughout, just the others being lifted up during this and it being a 5-inch exposure, this roof is not repairable. We're gonna go ahead and send this off to you guys.